the Women Empowerment Cell of the college, and also the GSL Cancer Institute authorities, and the support which are extended by to do this program, Rotary Club and officials. And today is an education program and also awareness program for all women faculty members and as well as girl students. And as you know, this college is 171 years old government college autonomous and accredited NAC A+. And the programs which we are organizing definitely to create an awareness among our students as well as public also. And this week, worldwide we are taking it as awareness campaigns on particular deadly disease cancer. And this college taken an initiative to educate and empower and extend support to the women faculty members. So in that point, then we contacted the GSL Cancer Institute, and as well as we take support from the Rotary Club, and we put a name for this particular wonderful program is Unite, Uncover, Understand and Unite. So the fight against the breast cancer. So uncover means, as you know that the world statistics, the global statistics on this breast cancer, nearly 11.2% cases for find each and every year. That means nearly 2.5 million women is getting and suffering with this breast cancer. And if you go in detail of that, then 1 in 8 women will be getting this breast cancer. So why don't we arrest this kind of breast cancer means? So as the world is moving very fast and our technology is also going fast, and we have right technology, preventive methods also there. So suppose if we detect in early stage, 99% breast cancers can be reduced, can be cured, so as per the statistics. So as a part of that, today we are going to conduct, with the help of these two supporting, we are going to have a screening test for all women and girl students. And so if you know it well, and if you educate it well, and if you get awareness about this, and we can disseminate this particular knowledge, those who are suffering and those who are having a doubt of this kind of cancers, and especially when you are looking at the statistics below, after 50 years, definitely each and every woman has to undergo this kind of test. So it is a must. And also, out of that, nearly 40% is getting this kind of cancers, and out of that 5% below 40 age group also getting this kind of thing. So today we have wonderful speakers to know about this breast cancer and related issues. And today is definitely very educational and awareness program. Definitely it is a kind of awareness program, and our students, especially all the students, they are going for adapted villages to create some kind of awareness, to do some kind of awareness program. Suppose if they know it well, if they understand it well, definitely these are the carriers to disseminate this kind of knowledge to the nearby villages also. So that kind of thing is there, and it's a wonderful program. And my special thanks goes to the Women Empowerment Cell to make it possible this wonderful program. to get awareness of this breast cancer and all. Just now I visited this vehicle, and there are 3 chambers, so wonderfully they designed, and it's a crores of rupees instrumentation is there. So mammography is there to find breast cancer, and also then chest X-ray is also available, and ultrasound scanning is also there. So definitely all women faculty make use of this facility and spread this particular program to others also. And my special thanks goes to our past district governor and proud alumnus of the college, Bhaskar Garu, and also Nalam Narasimha Garu, president of our Rotary Club Rajahmundry, who supported this program well, and also some of them are Tharun sir, and Deepak is very friend of mine, and Vasundhara madam, and also Anand Garu and other members, Praveen Garu, Tharun Garu. These are all, I have interacted with all these doctors who sat on this stage. Actually, as a academician, we would like to start some new courses and job market oriented courses. 3 months back I visited, 3 or 4 months back I visited the JSL Medical College, and we are going, I had a plan of that, why don't we start one MSc Radiation Physics course. So after completion of this MSc Radiation Physics course, nearly 1 to 1.5 lakh, that kind of salary package is there. So, but the thing is, this program has to be approved by the Atomic Energy Agency of Government of India. So we wrote a letter for them, and also the condition for this particular program is we had to collaborate with the JSL medical institution. Basically, it is an academic institution. We don't have much medical facilities, and the course is also contains anatomy, some kind of medical courses are there. We are not fully aware of that. That's why we contacted Tharun sir and other the faculty members of JSL Medical College. They agreed us actually, but we need to get permission from Atomic Energy Agency. Then we will start the course. That's a wonderful program. Such a prestigious college. Definitely, we would like to have these kind of things. So, dear students, once again, I give a call to you all to just understand the workshop title actually, uncover. So that means what I understood is the cancer is, suppose if you have a fever and other some pains and headache and these kind of things, any disease, we can get immediately the related pains and all. But whereas the cancer, when it grows, we don't know whether we have the cancer. That means the cancer cell, it doesn't give any kind of sound. That means underlyingly it goes and it spread across the body. So that means unnoticedly uncovered, but once it grows and it is going to be 90% and spread all the body parts of your body, then only we come to notice this. So that kind of nature is there for this cancer. So that's why you need to uncover, that means it is not covered by any kind of test unless it has to go for special tests like mammography and other X-rays and all. So that's why you have to understand, the next word is understand and unite. So that is also, see why these Rotary Club members came to this college and why all the doctors sat and to give education. Means, suppose if any kind of diseases, deadly diseases like cancer, we need to, unite and fight against the cancer. This is the underline of this particular workshop, and very happy to be associated with this team. Thank you for giving the opportunity.